Hey guys, welcome to another Thrift Transformational Thursdays. I'm your girl Daisha. Hope everybody's doing good. Today we're getting into this little number here. It was once upon a time this, and now it's this. So let's see how I got here. Okay guys, so I didn't start out with a definite plan, but I ended up with a crisscross band type situation for the front of the bodice after removing the sleeves. Then I added straps to the arm just to make everything a little bit more sturdy up there because it was moving around, okay? Definitely made the skirt shorter because that length was not working. Had to snatch the waist because I need that. Remove the pleats to make it a straight skirt, just to make it a little bit more flattering. And then for the back, I wasn't quite sure what to do with the back. That was a struggle, but I ended up removing the entire back. And because the bands from the front and the strap from the sleeve ran into the back, then it wasn't much to do. I just added a strap to the middle just to keep everything intact and make sure nothing falls apart while I'm getting down. I also, yes, I took the waist in and made the skirt shorter. Yeah. So right now I'm just removing the shoulder pads just so I can not have that bump on top to work with. And then that's what it looks like without the shoulder pads, flat and nice, so you know what you're working with. Right now I'm opening up the waist and removing the pleats for that straight skirt that I mentioned earlier. And you'll see that after I removed the pleats, then I had some gathering right there. And right now for the band that will be crossed in the front, I'm just outlining the area that I'm going to cut. Right now I'm doing some hand stitching just to make sure that when I'm going through and power sewing, everything is already intact and I don't have to spend all day holding stuff together. So you notice I'll just be going through right now because everything was basically already hand stitched, so I'm just securing it with the machine. Right here I was not sure if I was to keep the straps for the arm or I was supposed to remove them, so I'm trying to decipher what to do, testing out my options, but you'll see what I ended up with. And the last and final thing, oh my god, can you believe it? So I think I'm done transforming. I haven't reattached the buttons for here just yet, so then it's gonna be like that, you know. And then I was thinking of making gold buttons all the way down, but I think I'm gonna just keep that to the waist area. And then I'm missing a button, so I'm going to have to find a gold button and replace that. Hopefully no one notices. So yeah, this is how it's basically gonna be looking when done, honey. And then what I was noticing as well is I think there is a flaw in my design. I might have to add a band across the back attaching these two, because I realize when I get shimmy, you know, these kind of move, and I'm not going to be wearing it with an undergarment. any shirts or anything underneath it, so I'm going to add that real quickly. I'm just going to use the scraps. Let me go get the scraps. Yeah, basically just going to be piecening scraps except for this part, because then that's, you know, and making a band. So basically making it look like it's coming from here to here, you know, so it holds it in and it doesn't move. But yes, 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 yes. There we go. There we go. Deets. So this is what we have here. I was so unsure about these, but I'm kind of happy I got them. And then this back piece, it turned out to be necessary. I'm not sure how much I love it. I might wear a blazer with it, so you know. But they were kind of falling off without that, because you know when I do this movement. But yeah, and then here is the button that I borrowed, that I replaced. But I am so shocked that I made this and it turned out this way. It's kind of cute or whatever. Yes, honey. And feeling it. Where's my jacket? What? Stop playing. Okay guys, if you like how this turned out, go ahead, drop us a comment. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, or if you didn't. Or if you did. Or if you did this.